Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss MCQs based on Introduction of Control System. This is part 2. Already I had developed part 1 in lecture number 18. So these MCQs will be helpful for facing competitive examinations, board examinations, university examinations, as well as it will give the basic platform to prepare the GATE examination also. So this is the first question I am going to discuss. A traffic light system is the example of. Traffic light system means you will set some time. So what will happen? If you set the time, it will be based on the time. It will not based on the density of vehicles, right? So traffic light system is the example of open loop system. That is the open loop system. लेकिन अगर वहां पुलिस वाला खड़ा है, he is working as a controller to control the traffic. So you can say it may be the closed loop control system. Why? He will see yes एक vehicle और बचा है उसको जाने दो, या यहाँ पर व्हीकल है ही नहीं है, so he will ignore it. So that he is there, so it is the closed loop system. But automatic traffic light system is there, it is based on the time, it is not based on the density of vehicles, so it is a open loop system. Okay, next, find the function. Second question, find the function f of t for the following function f of s. So this is given, f of s is given, we have to find f of t. Okay, so here you can divide this f of s. Okay, f of s equal to what? 1 upon s, s plus 1, s plus 5 into a upon s plus b upon s plus 1 plus c upon s plus 5. What is how to find the value of a? If you want to find the value of a, okay, what we will do? We will multiply both sides by denominator of a, that is s, and put s equal to 0. So when you multiply s here, so this s and this s will be cancelled. You will get s plus 1, s plus 5. यहाँ भी s था, but यहाँ भी s आ जाएगा, because we are multiplying both sides by s. So this s and this s will be cancelled and put s equal to 0. So when you put s equal to 0, you will get 1 into 5.2. B. How to find B? If you want to find B, what we will do? We will multiply denominator of B, this s plus 1 both sides, and put s equal to minus 1. So when you multiply here, you will get 1 upon s into s plus 5, right, and put s equal to minus 1. So it is minus 1, it is minus 1 plus 4, so sorry, minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 and minus 1, so you will get minus 1 by 4, that is 0.25. C equal to, how to find C? Multiply both sides by s plus 5. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? 1 upon s और s plus 1. Put s equal to minus 5. S equal to minus 5. So s equal to minus 5, and it is minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 5, right now? Minus plus 1 by 20. So that is 0.05 you will get. So from here you can say a equal to 0.2 minus 0.25 b. So you will get f of s equal to क्या आएगा? A, that is 0.2 minus 0.25 upon what? S plus 1 plus 0.05, yeah, 1 by 20, right, upon s plus 5. If you take the Laplace inverse f of t equal to what, 0.2 by s, मतलब it is 0.2 only, because 1 upon s का Laplace inverse क्या होगा, 1. So 0.2 minus 0.25 e raised to minus t, इसका Laplace inverse. इसका Laplace inverse क्या होगा, plus 0.05. Laplace inverse क्या होगा, e raised to minus 5t. That is the answer. So this is, you can say 0.2 minus 0.25 e raised to minus t plus 0.05 e raised to minus 5t. B answer is correct. In this way you can calculate. Okay. So this is the way of finding the Laplace inverse. Okay. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. A linear system at rest is subjected to an output signal R of t equal to 1 minus e raised to minus t. The response of the system for t greater than 0 is given by C of t. The transfer function of the system is. Okay, so we know R of t equal to what? We know R of t equal to what? We have given 1 minus e raised to minus t. So R of s equal to what? 1 by s minus Laplace transform of this is what? 1 upon s plus 1. So if you take LCM is what? S plus 1, यहाँ क्या आएगा, s plus 1 minus this upon s plus 1, s into 1, s. So you will get 1 upon s plus 1. That is R of s. Similarly, C of t is given. What is C of t is given? 1 minus e raised to minus 2t. So Laplace transform of C of t, that is C of s क्या होगा, 1 का क्या होगा, 1 by s माइनस इसका क्या होगा, e raised to minus 2t का 1 by s plus 2. Okay, this is the C of s. Now if you take the LCM you will get s and यहाँ आएगा s plus 2. This is the LCM. Now this is divided by s, so you will get s plus 2 into 1. S plus 2 into 1 is s plus 2 minus this minus. This term is divided by this, so you will get s only. This is divided by this, so क्या बचेगा, s into 1 s. So you will get s plus 2 minus s is 2 upon s plus 2. Okay, so we got C of s. Now we have to find the transfer function. So what is a transfer function? Transfer function is what? Transfer function is C of s controlled output upon R of s, reference input in s domain, equal to C of s is this 2 upon s plus 2 upon R of s is this 1 upon s plus 1. So you can say this 2s and s will be cancelled. You will get 2 into s plus 1 ऊपर आएगा, s plus 1 upon s plus 2. So see your answer. This is answer. So we have a 2 s plus 1 upon s plus 2. Yes, C answer is correct. You can see. So the concept is very simple, but you have to read the problem carefully, then solve it simply, carefully. Just find R of t is given R of s, C of t is given C of s, and transfer function क्या होता है, C of s upon R of s. So in this way you can find the transfer function. You will get the answer. Okay. Question number 4. These problems may be difficult, but they can be asked in PSUs, companies, in GATE examination and IES examination, etc. Okay. Next question I am going to solve 4. In regenerating the feedback, the transfer function is given by regenerating. Regenerating का मतलब क्या है? Regenerating feedback is positive feedback. Please that is very important. I have given the explanation also. Regenerating feedback means it is a positive feedback. Positive feedback. Okay? And it increases the infinitely, and hence the speed of response of the system reduces. Speed of the system reduces. Generally, interview में they ask this question: why do we not use positive feedback? Because of this positive feedback, clear, it increases the infinitely, and hence the speed of response of the system reduces. Speed will become slow, and that is because we are not using the positive feedback. So regenerating feedback means positive feedback. What is the transfer function? G of s upon, for positive feedback it is minus G of s into h of s. So we have answer CS of equal to, yes, this answer is there, this gs upon 1 minus gshs. D answer is correct. Okay, question number 5. An open loop system is, in open loop system is the control action depends on the size of the system, control action depends on the system variables, control action depends on the input signal, control action is independent of the output. Open loop में there is no controlling action, no controlling action in open loop system. Okay, input is there, reference input, gain of the system is there, you will get the output. No controlling action. So controlling action is independent of output, right? So D answer is correct. Question number 6, sorry. For the block diagram given in the following figure, the expression of C by R means transfer function they are asking. So you can say here, I am assuming it is nothing is given, I am assuming it is a negative feedback. Nothing is given, generally feedback is negative. Nothing is given means maybe it is a, so G1 G2 is, and it is a closed loop feedback, this clear, and it is a unity feedback control system. So इसका क्या आएगा? GS G1 G2, that is GS upon 1 plus negative feedback is plus GS G1 G2, HS is 1. Okay, this is the closed loop control system of this feedback control loop. Okay, and G3 is in cascade, so multiply by G3, that is the answer. So G1 G2 G3 upon 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, okay, sorry, 1, it is a negative feedback, so plus, or if it is a nothing is given, everywhere minus is given, right? So इसका मतलब it is a negative, positive feedback is there. Okay, so it is a positive feedback. So positive feedback में क्या होगा? G1 G2 G3 G1 G2 G3 upon 1. In case of positive feedback, it is negative. 1 minus G1 G2. A answer is correct. A. Okay. Question number 7. A Mason's Gann formula to find the transfer function. Okay. So for the finding the transfer function, we have only one positive loop, one positive forward path only, one forward path. So forward path क्या होगा? P1 equal to what? A into B, that is the gain of the forward path. A into B into D into E into G. A, B, D, E, G. A, B, D, E, G. This is the forward path. Divided by, okay, लूप कौन से? वी हैव वन लूप. लूप कौन से हैं? एक BC, loop is BC. This loop we have one loop only, and this is another loop we have. So second loop we have EF, and we have a two non-touching loop. Product of two non-touching loop is this one, BC into EF. Okay, so this is the value. So value of del equal to what? 1 minus sum of all individual loop BC minus, actually यहाँ ऐसा है, minus 1 minus sum of, means this BC into EF plus sum of all product of two non-touching loops, so BC EF. Okay, del 1 is the value of del. Del 1 is what? Nothing but it is a del, but it should not touch anywhere of the forward path 1. Everywhere it is touching here, 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 here. So it is 1 minus 0, that is 1. So what is the transfer function? Transfer function is P1 del 1. P1 matlab A, B, D, E, G upon del this 1 minus BC minus EF plus BCEF. You can say ABDEG, ABDEG 1 minus BC plus EF, correct, plus BCEF. Yes, B answer is correct. Question number 7, B. Okay. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Question number 7, 8. By using which of the following elements a mechanical translation system are obtained? Mechanical translational system are obtained. So mass element is there, correct? ये correct है. Spring element is also there. Dash part is also there. इसका मतलब D answer is correct. That is all of the above. So question number 8, D answer is correct. Okay. Next is all elements. We know in the mechanical translation system mass is there. We know force equation. Force equation क्या होता है? Force equal to what? M x double dot plus B x single dot plus K x. So M is there, mass, dash spot is there, B, spring is there, K. So all are present. Okay. So question number 8, the answer D is correct. Question number 9. Question number 9. In signal flow graph, input node is the node having only, we know, suppose करो कि we have a signal flow graph. This is the signal flow graph. These are known as nodes. They are representing the variables. Node means it is represents the variables. Okay, so this is the x1, x2, x3, x4. Clear? So signals will be like this. Gain will be there. It is like this also. Maybe. So यहाँ क्या है? At this node input signal is there, output signal is there. इसको बोलते हैं chain node. Here input signal is there, output signal is there. Here it is a chain node. यहाँ पर only input signal is there. इसको बोलते हैं sync node. और यहाँ पर x1 पे क्या? Only outgoing signal is there. इसको बोलते हैं source node. Source node, sync node, chain nodes. अभी देखो, what is the question we have? In signal flow graph, input node is, this is the input node is having only outgoing branches. Yes, B answer is correct. Question number 9, B is correct. Question number 10. By equating the denominator of the transfer function to 0, we know transfer function क्या होता है? Numerator polynomial to the denominator polynomial. Okay. Now by equating the denominator polynomial equated to 0, क्या मिलता है? Poles. We will get poles. If you equate the denominator polynomial, okay, so you will get poles, and if you do equate to 0, so something upon 0 is transfer function क्या हो जाएगा, infinite. Okay, so क्या मिलेगा आपको, denominator is equated to 0, the transfer function becomes infinite, we will get what, poles. Yes, A answer is correct. Question number 10, A. Okay, question number 11. Yes, A. Question. The sub object that can be controlled is called as, the object that will be controlled is called as plant, sensor, channel, controller. Yes, it is called as controller. The answer is correct. Question number 12. A system is one whose input-output characteristics do not change with the time. The input-output characteristics do not change with the change of time. Called as what? It is called as what? Time invariant. Time के साथ change नहीं हो रही तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Time invariant. Okay, a system in which is one whose input output characteristic do not change with the change of time. It is called as time invariant. Okay, so question number 2 का D answer is correct. Question number 13. Compute the transfer function. Compute the transfer function of the given circuit. Okay. Okay. So we have given this waveform. This circuit we have given. First of all, if we neglect the initial condition, we are going to find the transfer function, right? So in neglect the initial condition, so we have to draw the transform diagram. Transform diagram क्या होगा? What is the transform diagram? R will be R, L will be L into S, C will be 1 by CS. So first of all, we will convert into transform diagram. This is R will be R, L will be L into S, C will be 1 by CS, V0 will be V0 of S output, and V in equal to V in of S. This is I of S. Okay, we have only one loop. This is one loop. Okay, so what is a V out? V out means voltage across these 2 points equal to voltage across these 2 points. Across voltage and voltage across here will be same. What is the voltage across here? 1 by CS, that is the impedance, into I of S. 1 by CS into I of S. Similarly, here this is one loop. So you can apply the KVL, you will get, if you apply the KVL, you will get V in of S. V in of S equal to what? Equal to what? LS plus R plus 1 by CS. सब में क्या फ्लो हो रहा है? करंट I of S. LS में फ्लो हो रहा है I of S, R में और 1 by CS में into I of S. So if you take LCM, क्या मिल जाएगा? LCM लेने के बाद L CS square plus R CS plus 1 upon C of CS. LCS square, if you take the LCM, RCS plus 1 upon CS into I of S. Now we have to find the transfer function. So transfer function क्या होता है? What is the transfer function? V out of S upon V in of S. V out upon V in. V out is this upon this. So if you take this ratio 1 by CS upon, यहाँ पर क्या है? LCS square plus RCS plus 1 upon CS. यहाँ पर I of S है, यहाँ पर भी I of S है. Both will be cancelled. After LCM, this will also be cancelled. So you will get 1 upon LCS square plus RCS plus 1. That is the answer. So it is S square LC plus RCS plus 1. Yes, this is the A answer is correct. A answer is correct. Okay, so that is the compute the transfer function of the given circuit. It is this A answer is correct. Next question number 14. 14. 40. Laplace transform of an impulse function. याद करो, Laplace transform of the impulse function क्या होता है? It is 1. कैसे? What is the impulse function? Impulse function. What is the impulse function? It is d by dt du of t, du of t by dt. This is the impulse function. You know, impulse function is u of t is the u of t is what? It is the step function, unit step function. It is the differentiation of this, right? So impulse function का क्या होगा पहले बताएं. इसका function का Laplace transform, sorry, Laplace transform of this is what? By dy by dt. If you neglect the initial condition, it is s. It is s. dy by dt का Laplace transform होता है s. If you neglect the initial condition, और u of t का क्या होता है 1 by s. So s will be cancelled, you will get 1. So Laplace transform of an impulse function, it is represented by this. It is 1. Question number 15. In a block diagram reduction, what is the symbol for the feedback signal? You know, it is a block diagram. It is G of S. It is controlled output C of S. This is called as takeoff point. This point is known as takeoff point. This is feedback signal H of S. And this signal will be added to here or subtracted. This is the reference input. Clear? And here it is there. Maybe a positive feedback or negative feedback. Generally, we are using the negative feedback to make your system more faster. Clear? So this is the, now this signal is known as B of S. इसको बोलते हैं feedback signal. Okay, this is called as error signal E of S. This is called as takeoff point. We are taking the feedback from here, right? From the output. Now, what is the question? In block diagram reduction, what is the symbol for feedback signal? This, it is represented by B of S, right? B answer is correct. B answer is correct. This is called as error signal, reference input, controlled output, forward path gain G of S, feedback path gain HS of. So this terminology should be clear, right? Sorry. Okay. This is question number 16. Okay. Question number 16. Consider the signal flow graph. How many individual loops does it have? How many individual loops does it have? देखो एक लूप मेरे को दिख रहा है. You can say here. This is G1, G2, H3 minus. because G1, G2, H3 minus. एक लूप ये भी है G1, G2, G3, G सॉरी G नहीं है, ये नहीं है, इट इज नॉट देयर. एक लूप ये है G2, G3, H2 minus. This G2, G3, H2 minus. Third loop we have G4, H1, G4, H1 minus. This G4, H1. एक लूप ये है this is one loop, this is second loop, this is third loop, this is fourth loop, like this G4, G5, h1 minus h2 minus, so it is plus a, this one, g5 like this, then this, then this. So we have a 4 loops. Okay, so I think it is a 4 loop only. This is 1, this is 2nd, this is 3rd, and this is 4, like this. Okay, okay, so it is a D answer is correct. 4 loops are there. Okay, okay, next is question number 17. In a, if a circuit consisting of two mass elements, circuit consists of two mass elements, two spring electromagnets and four fractional elements, मतलब M is given 2, right, B is given 2 and K is given 4. Find the order of the transfer function. Order of the transfer function. Okay, what is the order of the transfer function? Please, order of the transfer function will not be decided by this. Order of the transfer function will be decided by M only. Clear? Suppose number of masses M equal to N है. So order will be 2n always. जितना भी masses होंगे उसका order क्या होगा 2 times of n. यहाँ m कितना है here in this problem m equal to what 2 दिया है. So order क्या हो जाएगा, order will be 2 times n, मतलब 2 times 2, that is 4. So it will be a fourth order system. B answer is correct. Please always याद रखो, the order will be decided by mass only, and it is answer will be 2 times the number of elements of mass. Okay, question number 18, sorry. Find the closed loop transfer function. Okay, find the transfer function, that is a closed loop. So it is GS and this is HS is 1. So what is the transfer function? What is the transfer function? That is called as closed loop transfer function. Okay, equal to what? GS upon 1, and it is a negative feedback. So it is 1 plus GS HS. Okay, so you can get GS is 10 upon S minus 2 upon 1 plus GS, मतलब 10 upon S minus 2, HS is 1. So you will get after LCM क्या आएगा 10 upon S minus 2 upon S minus 2 plus 10. So this is after LCM, S minus 2 will be cancelled. Clear? You will get 10 upon S plus 8. What is the answer? 10 upon S plus 8. And I am going to tell you very simple technique. Transfer function closed loop का निकालना. This is what? Open loop. ये क्या है? Open loop transfer function GS. ओके, उसका क्लोज लूप का क्या आएगा 10, तो 10 ही रहेगा इधर, अपॉन इन दोनों का एडिशन s प्लस 10 माइनस 2 इज व्हाट s प्लस 8. क्लियर? अगर ये क्लोज लूप है, ये क्या है, इसको बोलते हैं क्लोज लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन इन केस ऑफ यूनिटी फीडबैक कंट्रोल सिस्टम, राइट. तो ओपन लूप ट्रांसफर फंक्शन क्या होगा, इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो क्या आएगा 10, तो 10 ही रहेगा, यहाँ क्या आएगा s प्लस 10 माइनस दिस, सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है जिसमें से दिस, तो क्या आएगा 2 बचेगा, this minus this 8 minus 10 is s minus 2. So be careful about it. क्लियर? जब भी इस टाइप का प्रॉब्लम आता है, अगर ये दिया है तो यू कैन फाइंड डायरेक्टली दिस, और अगर ये दिया है ओपन लूप दिया है तो क्लोज लूप क्या आएगा, ऐड कर दो, इसमें क्लोज लूप हो जाएगा। क्लोज लूप दिया है तो इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, सो यू विल गेट दिस। सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी simple technique, no need to solve such type of problem. Okay, I will take few more problems here, how to find the open loop transfer function, how to find the closed loop transfer function directly. Okay, this is the 19. For the block diagram shown in figure, the transfer function equal to, okay, you can say here this is RS, right, or this is 1, so you can remove this. So next diagram will be what, please see here, it is a positive feedback, so यहाँ पर क्या आएगा, 1 by s plus this is 1, this is right, so this is the one block we have. Okay, this is R of s, right, and this is 1 by s, it is plus. Okay, or we have given feedback from here only, it is positive feedback 1. So first of all, it is parallel elements, 1 by s plus 1, you can say like this, into 1 by s. This is, ये खत्म हो जाएगा अगर ऐसा आपने कर लिया, 1 by s in cascade, so क्या आएगा, this is, it is what, s plus 1 by s, s plus 1 by s, right now. If you LCM, if you take the LCM, so s plus 1 by s into 1 by s, this is in cascade, so you will get this, this is one block and it is added 1, so plus 1. So what is the output? Output is equal to what? S plus 1, s plus 1 into 1, s plus 1 upon s square plus 1 equal to what? S square plus s plus 1 by s square. So this is the gain you will get like this, s square plus s plus 1 by s square. This is CS, this is RS. So this is the transfer function we can say. So it is very simple. पहले आप इसको क्या करो, दो फॉरवर्ड पाथ, एक ये और एक ये, इसको एक कर लो तो ऑटोमेटिकली दिस विल नॉट बी देयर, क्लियर, और देन दिस एंड दिस इज इन कैस्केड and this is again forward path for here, so let's add 1. In this way you can find the transfer function. So s square plus s plus 1 upon s square. B answer is correct, right. And last question I'm going to solve this. We have given this, which of the following, which of these two blocks diagram can be reduced to transfer function of CS upon RS is G1 upon 1 minus G1 G2. I want this G1, this is your transfer function is given. What should be the transfer function? We want this. कौन से चार में से मिलेगा? ओके, इससे क्या मिलेगा? G1 upon ओनली G1 मिलेगा। ओके, G1 अपॉन 1। ये देखो प्लीज, यहाँ पर क्या है माइनस है गिवन, से मतलब इट इज ए पॉजिटिव फीडबैक, सो दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, इट इज नेगेटिव फीडबैक, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, दिस may be correct, this is not correct, this may be correct without doing anything, because it is a negative feedback, it is a negative feedback, and I want here negative term. So 1 and without doing anything, anyway we will find it. इसका ट्रांसफर फंक्शन क्या आएगा, G1 upon 1 plus G1 G2. So we want, sorry, a negative feedback. Something is wrong. Positive. I want this, na? Sorry. What is your answer? Your answer is this 1 minus, means positive feedback is required. It is minus. So we want a positive feedback. So this is the positive feedback, second, and this is the third. So we want this second or third, right? This is a negative feedback. It is a negative feedback. ये wrong है, ये नहीं चलेगा. I want negative sign, means we want a positive feedback. But this is also negative feedback third, so ये भी नहीं चलेगा. Clear? Second वाला क्या है, G1 upon 1 minus positive feedback is, it is minus. This is second is correct. Fourth देखते हैं, G1 into G2. इसका क्या आएगा फोर्थ का, G1 into G2, ओके, अपॉन GS अपॉन 1, पॉजिटिव फीडबैक है तो क्या आएगा, प्लस माइनस G1 G2 into HS is 1 into 1. Okay, so you will get this, and again it is cascade with 1 by G2, so multiply by 1 by G2. So G2 will be cancelled, you will get 1 minus G1 G2. So your answer is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. B answer is correct. और प्लीज ये तो पक्का है, ये दो दिए हैं यहाँ पर, तो दो का कॉम्बिनेशन चाहिए, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये नेगेटिव फीडबैक में यहाँ पॉजिटिव आने वाला, तो दिस इज कैंसिल्ड, दिस विल बी कैंसिल्ड विदाउट डूइंग एनीथिंग. So 2 and, you can check it, otherwise you can directly write down 2 and 4. So I have solved 20 questions here in part 2. Clear? I have tried to clear your concept. This will give the basic idea how to solve the problem. Okay, you can face IES examination, GATE examination, PSU examination, some board examination, electricity board examination, or some government examination. Clear? So if your basic concept is clear, you can face any examination. So I am stopping here only. Please do subscribe the channel, give the likes, and please share the video to your friends also. Okay, so I'm stopping here. Thank you very much